And decided to bat first.
और ये गेंद काफी बढ़िया शॉट, काफी बढ़िया कट, यहाँ पर फील्डर कोई मौका नहीं है गेंद को रखने का। गेंद जाती हुई सीमा के बाहर 4 रन के लिए। और इस बार उनके जोन में मिला, गेंद उठा के लफ किया गेंदबाज के सर के ऊपर से, अंपायर का इशारा, ये मैक्सिमम। और इस बार काफी बढ़िया शॉट इनसाइड आउट, कवर्स के फील्डर से उठा के मारा है गेंद सीमा रेखा के बाहर 4 रन के लिए। शायद ये स्लो रन, और इस बार काफी जोरों से लगाया, प्रहार किया है एक एक्स्ट्रा कवर के फील्डर को भी गेंद रोकने कोई मौका नहीं है। और ये 4 रन के लिए लगातार दूसरा चौका। इस बार और पेज, और ये बैट्स कट किया है टॉप एज, और ये गेंद गई है सीमा रेखा के बाद थर्ड मैन की दिशा में 4 रन के लिए। और इस बार ये एक और पेज उठा के मारा है, देखते हैं क्या है अंपायर का निर्णय। और अंपायर का निर्णय ये पहले गेंद अवसर के बाद रूम और बैकफुट में जाके कट किया है, पॉइंट और बैकफुट पॉइंट के फील्ड के बीचों बीच खेला हुआ। और पहले गेंद अवसर ऑफ स्टिक उठा के मारा है, फुल टॉस गेंद खेल दिया बैक टू द बॉलर स्ट्रेट। और ये एक बार क्या इस बार बड़े शॉट प्रहार के साथ में, इस बार हवा में गेंद देखते हैं, लॉन्ग ऑन लॉन्ग ऑफ के फील्डर फयाजुद्दीन कादरी ने कोई चूक नहीं की।
Nice shot, straight. What a shot this is. Catch it beautifully. In between the two fielders, man at short third man and the man at backward point. No chance whatsoever. That went like a rocket through the fence. Slightly down the leg side. Flicks it beautifully down the ground. This is excellent shot. Nicely played that one in the air. And this is excellent placement. And super fielding even. Even better fielding. Sachin Rathod is the man. And this is really good running. They are going back for the extra run. Might be Uday Chawar struggling in big time. Outgiven by the umpire. Got shot. In the air, Merrick long on. And he remained as a spectator. What a shot from Sharbana Nayak. Excellent over. And there he goes down the track. Might be the second hit for Sharbana Nayak. What a shot. Using the pace of the bowler over the fielder. Takes it. The man at short fine leg. Sharan Patil is the catcher. Lawful toss. Blast that one all the way for 6. What a shot. Good shot. Straight to extra cover. 1 run added to the total. With that single, the total score which moves on to 175. Toss won by Lions team, opted to bat first. They have scored 175 for the loss of 4 wickets in 20 overs. The target for the United team 176 in the stipulated 20 overs. Mohammad Munir remained not out on 37 from 24 balls with a 5 boundaries. Akshay Gupta remained not out on 7 from 2 balls with a 1-6. The target is 176. We will be back shortly. Stay with us. So 175 for the loss of 4 wickets. 20 overs completed. The umpires comes out to the middle. The opening batsman. So the fielders, Santosh Matti, and along with him, Syed Abdul Ghani, the wicket-keeper batsman and the captain of the team. This time connects. Man at deep cover. No chance whatsoever. That went for the distance. Yes, it is. For 6. He goes this time to the onside ball, running away to the boundary. It will go all the way. No need to run for that. Outfield is absolutely fast as the lightning. This time, edge of the bat and taken. This time, cuts it beautifully. What a shot. Take that. Another boundary. Back-to-back boundaries. Lovely shot. Straight to the fielder. Straight in, straight out. Would you believe it? The ball goes on the onside. Ball running away to the boundary. Not timed it well, even though the ball running away to the boundary. 2 fielders can't get there. Another boundary to the Rahul Arvind account. Down the track he comes. Straight down the ground. 1 bounce into the rope. What a shot this is by Rahul Arvind. Nicely swept. Swept it fine. Beats the man at short fine leg. Ball running away to the boundary. This is clever cricket by Syed Abdul Ghani. Good shot. Lovely shot. Makes room and cuts that one to the point region. Another boundary. Good shot, Karastat, that one down the ground, strictly timed. That punt like a bullet. Wow, what a timing by Abdul Ghani. Nicely played. Up is gone. Look at that. This is the thing. Yes, Abdul Ghani is frustrated. Just what the commentator calls. Down the leg side. Sevels across and pulls that one to the ditch goal area. This is clever shot by Rahul Arvind. Fifth boundary to his name.
आगे आकर उठा के मारा है मिडिल फील्ड के ऊपर से और एक गेंद सीमा रेखा के बाहर 4 रन के लिए और एक बड़े शॉट के प्रयास में गए इस बार मिडिल विकेट को चूज किया है देखते हैं अंपायर का इशारा और अंपायर का इशारा ये वन बाउंस सीमा रेखा के बाहर 4 रन के लिए आगे आकर उठा के मारा है लॉन्गो के फील्डर दर्शक की तरह खड़े रह गए और ये मैक्सिमम और इसी बीच राहुल अरविंद का ये अर्धशतक काफी बढ़िया स्टाइल में लाया है अपना अर्धशतक शॉर्ट बॉल फुल किया है मिड विकेट की क्षेत्र में फील्डर मौजूद है और फील्ड से भी काफी दूर ये मैक्सिमम
This time he goes big. Fielder. He takes the catch. After 3 lives, Rahul Arvind finally he got out at deep mid wicket. Sharvanda Naik is the catcher. Goes bang again. Take that. Fayazuddin Qadri opens his account with about 6. Magnificent strike in the slot. Oh, inside edge. You can't set field for that. You can't set field for that. Nicely punched. Over extra cover. Wow. What a shot this is. This time in the air. But it will fielder takes the catch. What a breakthrough this is. Sharbanda Naik fired up. Oh, piece of a delivery. Oh, Uday Chauhan can't hit the stumps directly. Would have been Fayazuddin Qadri struggling by signal by the umpire. This time over extra cover. Much needed boundary. I think it will go all the way. And it is. Full toss ball and that banks that one down the ground to the boundary. Full toss again. This time it went for the distance. It's Hughes. Low full toss. And the score straight down the ground. And scores are level. What a shot. He's delighted. Look at that. Excitement like an international player. Wow. What a decision not to take the run. And in the very next ball, he hit the 6. This is incredible cricket at KBN. This is KBN specialty. This time he goes, and that's it. It's over. United Team are the champions. Look at the running of the players. They have run like a 100-meter race. They won. Wow, what a shot. Fayazuddin Qadri, you beauty. 39 runs in 14 balls. 2 boundaries, 4 sixes. What a match-changing innings. Once again, one of the fine, entertaining match comes to an end. I told you before, this man Fayazuddin Qadri is really dangerous. And he has done exactly the damage to the opposition team. He scored 39 runs, 14 balls, 2 boundaries, 4 sixes. Match-changing innings. 22 runs conceded by the bowler Anil Kumar Rathod. This time the captain decision won't work. In the 2007 World Cup, Joginder Sharma has given the win for the Indian team. But Anil Kumar Rathod went for 22 runs.
Alright, now speaking about match number 13, which was played between 2 teams, NVG Lions and JCC United. And JCC United won the match by 5 wickets. One big round of applause to the team. Congratulations. May I now request the special guest along with the Pro Chancellor and the ACPCR to kindly hand over a cheque of rupees 2,500 from Khaja Bandha Nawaz House of Sports to Mr. Fayazuddin Qadri. Let the claps keep coming to Mr. Fayazuddin Qadri. He played one of the major segment in the entire match and made the team win. Mr. Fayaz Saab, I request you to kindly come back and receive the prize that is given for highest number of sixes, a cash award of rupees 2,000 from Khaja Bandha Nawaz House of Sports. He has hit 4 sixes today, so per 6 500. So in that basis, he is awarded with 2,000 rupees cash award. And just not that, a cash envelope of rupees 2,000 from Dr. Farhan Junaidi Sahab to Mr. Fayazuddin Qadri. Please come back. an envelope of rupees 1000 from Aslam Junaidi Sahab. And a very special gesture exhibited by one of the player, Mr. Munir. He also wants to hand over an envelope of rupees 1000. One big round of applause. May I now request the delegates to hand over a food voucher of rupees 500 to Mr. Fayazuddin Khadri.
KBN Champions Trophy is presented by Khaja Bandanaj University and by Megaspeed Broadband in collaboration with Hashing Click, media partner GoHash. Our associate sponsors include Manur Multi-Speciality Hospital, Shah Hyundai, Bharat Honda, Gulberg Travels, Punjab Footwear Group, Shehbaz Electricals, Sana Builders and Developers, and by AN Banquets. Our gold sponsors include Originals Clothing, Shweta Dentistry, United Hospital, Al Noor Speciality Hospital, and by Maharaja Sweets, Dargah.